Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So Bonk here yesterday, I saw that Bonk eventually managed to break above a pattern here. So you're looking at a move up, you made a bullish closing up there, and also you made a retest which looked almost successful to me. So you had few retests happening down there, but unfortunately you did made it to the downside. So there was this little bit of manipulation, and also Bitcoin was dropping a little bit. So perhaps we may say that this break is almost like this, and the line isn't really like this, so it could be actually like this, and it could be that we have to look at things in this way. So you may expect one touch down again to nearly 2635, and if you make it to 2612 as well, that can actually be a very good buying place because this is your support line as well. This was your resistance that you've broken out of. So this is a very big support. And eventually, if you end up coming down to 2382, then that's going to be an invalidation of BONK to continue to move to the upside. Now, if you do make a successful retest down at 27 or 2600 level, then you have a journey up to 3719, which is going to be your next technical target, and that's also where you have your upper resistance right over here, if you notice right there. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.